Hey guys, let's check out Shahid Fayaz Saki, an incredible author from the paradise of earth, Kashmir.
Hello everyone, my name is Shahid Fayaz. I am from Gundrubal, Mohammadpura, Kulgam district, Jammu and Kashmir. और मैंने ये राइटिंग स्टार्ट की है जब मैं छोटा था, 9th क्लास में पढ़ता था, तो मैंने उस दिन से ये राइटिंग स्टार्ट की है। तो आज तक मैंने 9 किताबें लिखी हैं जो पब्लिश हुई हैं, तो आज 10वीं चल रही है। तो मुझे बहुत शौक़ था बचपन से ही राइटिंग का बहुत शौक़ मुझे बचपन से ही था। और मैं अक्सर ज़्यादा समाज में जो शॉर्ट कमिंग्स हैं, जो फॉल्ट्स हैं, जो बुराइयां हैं, सोशल लेवल्स हैं, तो मैं उनको पॉइंट आउट करके उनको टारगेट बना के मैं उनको फिर उनके मतलब लिखता हूँ, उनकी इस्लाह के बारे में लिखता हूँ। तो यही मेरी जर्नी रही। मैं बहुत छोटा था, 9th क्लास में पढ़ता था जब मैंने इसको स्टार्ट किया है। आज मैं बीए कर रहा हूँ लिटरेचर में, जेडीसी कुलगाम, गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज कुलगाम में बीए कर रहा हूँ। तो आज मेरी बीए स्टडी चल रही है। तो 9 किताबें लिखी हैं, 10वीं चल रही है।
We have taken this coverage for our online magazine, The Big Market Journal. Let us first know a bit about the author. Shahid Fayaz Saki is an amazing author from the land of Kashmir. He is a student and following his passion in literature too. He has written a book which is titled as My Fortiest at Dusk Occupation and a number of articles at online websites. His article named Terrorist Has No Religion and War Has No Language has received enormous love and support. He always keeps on writing love things. Here we have coverage glimpse with this amazing personality. Here we have covered one of his very recently published articles titled as below, Concept of Love. I have seen the lunacy and madness in the birds many times and have seen them making noise on the pretty tails expressing their madness and causes of separation. I see this love in every creature, some express it and some are speechless, and it is only a poet's job to recognize it. I have seen with my own eyes a crow going mad in the world of separation. Eventually, the crow meets his beloved, and the two were seen hugging and telling each other their tales of separation. Love already existed. Adam ever cried. That too is a sign. The philosophy of love is found in every age, and love stories were written in every age. In fact, this is what taught us to well behave to women. You know very well how women were treated in Arabia. This love is something extraordinary that makes a man unwilling to accept the beloved's flaws. Every human being brings with them a new story in this world. Some people's stories have found a place in books, and some people's stories have been told orally. Most people enjoyed listening to love stories as hearts filled with joy and true feelings arose in weak and dull hearts, and that is how love took place in the hearts of hatred. Literature came into being on the basis of love. In every age of literature, there were cool myths of love, and love was inhabited in the strong and brave hearts of bards. Countless times of love have passed and will pass. If I may say so, I think I learned love myths in the cradle when my mother was humming. Even today, that humming with strong and sweet love in laps resounds in my ears. According to Shahid Fayaz Saki, myths of love will continue to be created as long as the creatures exist. It is true that writers have revived this love. There are love tales in every story. Some have expressed it behind the scenes and some have expressed it with their fanaticism. I have seen the water of affection in inanimate objects many times and shed it in drops. My existence is made up of two things. One is dust and the other is the water of love mixed with dust, and the Creator has reshaped me. There is a river of love flowing in every part of body that irrigates every patch of universe. Man is taught love from birth. No matter how big haters were, they were in love with their wives. Love is what makes a person complete and peaceful. Hatred is something that makes a man savage and brutal and deprives him from the principles of humanity. Love can combine an inanimate and a living thing. If I fit myself first, I too would have fallen into this web of love on February 23rd, 2021. There is no sheet in my room that will not have love titles on it. Every wardrobe is adorned with love garlands, memories, and pictures of love. Love is something that forces the poet to shut the sea in a pond. That's what woke me up at nights and made me write. Sometimes homeless, sometimes insane. I have seen with my own eyes the abundance of love in small gusts of wind. I have heard millions of love tales and myths from the sweetest and white lips of the moon. In short, I could say that the river of love is flowing till the day of judgment. So, guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview coverage. And in the end, we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.